Hi, hello everyone. My name is Karthik and you're watching my YouTube channel. And in this session, we'll learn how we can create, a .NET MAUI application without writing any code. For example, you are able to see my screen, and in this here, see there is a layout page. So many layout page and navigation. Also, if you see, there is a list page. It is a main page, and also the list page, and see there is a many list item over there. It's not a good design, but yeah, we can just manipulate some design, but yeah, from the implementation and functionality it's already is done. So if we think, okay, we want to create a one application in .NET MAUI. Okay, so before proceed the .NET MAUI application, if you don't know about the .NET MAUI, so you can check out my YouTube channels, and also I share that link in this description. So definitely you will learn like what is the .NET MAUI. So it is a, in this list page. So now coming back to here, this is a application which I created in the .NET MAUI with Accelerator. Actually, it is a template of .NET MAUI provide, the accelerator. With this accelerator help, we can create applications, the sample application which is we want, like for the sample, like a sample layout, what is the how we can generate that layout or navigation bar. And then these are all the example, like see, first is the main page, it is a simple page, then list view also there. Then if you go to drawing, it's a drawing functionality also give it there. You want to save here, also you want to clear, you can just another one, see, so and so. And also it is a map is not working in my machine, so I'm just skip it, because I think some another stuff is required for map, so that I'll do some research and then I'll let you know. Okay, apart from map, if I click the media, so you are also able to see, the media files should be run in this application. So media functionality also they provide us. Okay, okay. I think it's taking some time to load. Okay, now it's getting load. I think something is stuck. So now see, media file also there if you want to increase. So just increase if you want to play and something. So yeah, I will blur this media file. Might be it could be a copyright. So I will skip. But yeah, definitely you are able to see this media implementation over there. And then move it to web view. Also see, there's a web view also. You can just use web view in your Android application. Also as a sample, just sample like whatever implementation you want to, just click event. Okay, this is sample. Also localizations. Those are stuff without writing any code, anything. Just few click, few setup, you can able to see this application. Also if I would like to show the code as prospective solution, like see, these are solution is created, and also unit test case project also will create automatically, not need to write anything. Okay, so see, everything is a main file is created also. Those are that also I'll explain in once I create it. But yeah, I'm just showing that architecture, what is the architecture or is created. So see, similar like whatever page we are now adding, so all the pages over here dependency also resolve the dependency, everything that resolve the dependency itself. Also view model is created with the mbbm model. Also no services created, like if you want to create any service, inject this. And also all the platform, which platform for this support, so all the platform also will the avail there, and model also there. So and so let's get started how we can achieve and how we can create this .NET MAUI application with accelerator. So just stop this application, close it, and just close the emulator as well. Okay, so what you need to do, first you just install 2022 Visual Studio. And first it's that, and second is you have to require this extension, that MAUI App Accelerator. So this extension once I download, so then we can able to see that those templates. So this is first. And then if you don't want to use this guy, so there's another extension, .NET MAUI Essential. So this essential also actually cover those extension along with other stuff like SVG viewer, C sharp inline color, and Visual Studio tool for Tizen. So in this extension, I think we required this one along with these all also, the great features. So then I think choice is your which one you want to install. But yeah, both will work, like if you want to install this guy or if you want to install this guy. So how we can do that? Just open your Visual Studio. Okay, and this is our Visual Studio 2022. And but it I have installed in preview version, but yeah, it will work with that preview also. So just create a new application. Okay, before do that, okay, so how we will do that? Install, you can directly, this extension you can directly download and install over here by the directly from this link which I'll shared with you. And the second way is just go to extension, manage extension, and search over here MAUI, just MAUI. Okay, see, there's a template, there's extension actually, MAUI App Accelerator. So this is that one. It will work for us, but yeah, that I already all show that another extension that .NET MAUI. So these also support that MAUI Accelerator along with others stuff. So I already installed, that's why it is checked. Just click, and if you not install, so it will show here download option. Just download, and once download, just click and close that Visual Studio. Once you close the Visual Studio, then this extension will be installed in your machine. Without close Visual Studio, it will not start to install actually. Okay, so this is a process. So close this one, and I already installed. So just create a new project and search with MAUI. Okay, MAUI. Okay, here the option, like you can search over here, also you can search over here as well. So there's a many various type. Okay, so these are existing MAUI template, but yeah, this one, once you install that accelerator extension, you will able to see this template. So click next, select this one, click next, and just put some name, accelerator. Okay, and create. Okay, it is already there, that means just .NET MAUI. Okay, .NET MAUI. I think that's would be a differentiate our name. Okay, .NET MAUI. Okay, now once you create, you'll be able to see this screen. Okay, this screen actually shown us like what are the template you have to use, what are the code style you have to use, what are the navigation style you have to use. Okay, those are stuff setting over there. So see, in the right side panel, you're able to see everything, like which version you want to choose. I want to choose .NET 7. Or which code style you want to use. I want to use MBVM tools or code behind, or C# markup. Okay, so I think MBVM it's a best. Okay, and it's a clean code style. So I think that is a very useful features also provide us that MVVM. And then navigation style, which one you want to, like you want to use tabs, you want to use empty shell, or you want to as fly out. So in my demo I already show the fly out way. But yeah, if you want to try that tab means that your application is in your nav menu show in the bottom of the your app. Okay, so fly out is a left side menu actually. So also you can see here. Okay, so just by default is fly out. Also it is a main page. Okay, so first by default it's created with the main page. But yeah, I want to add many pages. So what I need to do, just select first what you have to choose it. So .NET 7 or .NET 6, whatever you have installed in your machine, just choose that one. Okay, .NET 6 actually it's LTS version, so I am choosing .NET 7 because it is a new. And just okay, just here, then you can just click next. Okay, then code style, which code style you want to use? I want to use, okay, also you want to see the details, so go to details, you are able to see, some examples also here. What is the MBVM module toolkit or what? Okay, so I choose MBVM. I'll also explain what is MBVM. Okay, just next. Okay, now is navigation style. Which navigation style you want to choose? So if you want to empty, if you want to tabs, or if you want to none, or if you want to file. So this time we'll select that layout. Next, then page. What are the page you want? Okay, so whatever we shown in our demo, we choose actually many pages. So there is a multi page we can add. There's a not only single selection, there's a multi selection. Okay, so if you want take a blank page, so you can take it blank page. If you want to list page, so I just add one list page. Okay, so this is list page. Also you want to rename it, so you can rename it. It is able to change the name as well. Okay, so the list sample list. Okay, so I choose it sample list, then I want to drawing, I want to add a drawing, so it is drawing. Then map is not working right now my machine, so yeah, just skip that one. But yeah, media is working, so just add media, web view, also just sample and the localization. See, there's our template over here, so those are also you can able to, if you want to change the name, so you can rename it. Okay, so those are thing done. Then next, okay, now features. So there's a also provide some feature, like it is controls, which control you want to use for your buttons, for your control. So it is a sample toolkit, it is a event toolkit, and Aloha toolkit. So I am not choosing anyone because I just want to use the itself of .NET MAUI, and also use that awesome font. So I just use the awesome font. But yeah, it is depend on you. You can choose it and you can check it. Okay, and also library, which library you want to use. So see, there's a many library. MAUI community toolkit over here, SQL.NET, EF Code, .NET SQLite. Okay, App Center also, Scenario, Aka, hosting Mayu. So these are libraries, so I just use entity framework SQLite. uh Entity framework, yeah, it is added over here. Okay, like a check there also. So okay, yeah, so I just added this one, so it is by default checked also this one. Okay, so if I remove this one, you can't remove my toolkit because you have depend of drawing my. Okay, so it is depend actually, that's one, that's why it's already there. So yeah, that's fine, and just add this guy. And also if you want to app center on all the libraries, so you can add it over there. Also there's a plugins, more plugins. Also you want to add some audios stuff plugins, so you can just add the audio. I'm not going to do. Also I will add that unit test case for this, so I just add a unit test case. So whatever I choose, you are able to see. Also you can just verify. Okay, I choose .NET 7. I choose code style for MBVM tool, also fly out navigation, and these are pages I selected. Okay, and these are features I also selected. So these are done, and just create. Okay, it will just will create, took us some time to create. Once it's created, actually there is a some packages dependency over there, so it will some time again to restore all the dependency, so need to wait again. Also you are able to see some solutions task list, whatever they're doing just here. Okay, now see, they're doing update the default URL and handle fail navigation on the appreciate way, and change the source at the controller, and add some unit test cases. Okay, whatever I choose based on this, actually they're doing. Also just restoring the packages, you're able to see over here. Okay, so let's wait complete the restore all the dependency. But it still is ready, but let me try again, just rebuild it so that make sure like all the packages is restored. Okay, meanwhile we can discuss actually uh, meanwhile restore that packages, we can discuss the architecture. Okay, so there's a simple architecture of similar to MAUI. So there's a my program.file. It's the main entry point of this application. Okay, and also it's this entry point actually call this app, app.xml file, and then okay, so it is a rebuild succeed and also restore complete. Okay, so if it is complete, just select your Android emulator. If you don't know how we can set up, so yeah, I also create some videos in my YouTube channel, so you can just check out. I'll share that link as well. So just install your Android application, Android my emulator. So just select it and just run it. Okay. Before starting startup, so we can talk about that architecture house, those file, where is those file, and so on. So let me get it here. Okay. See, there's a main file of the .NET program, and then some views folder over there. So views folder is like just all the pages which we are created. So views over there, and every views actually, if you go to that main file, okay, if you go to that main, okay, first you have to go to that YAML file. So if you go to YAML file, let's get YAML file. I think so. If you go to that code behind file of that, okay, okay, no issue, just leave it. Okay, so first is see, it is a clean, there's a nothing in the YAML file. Okay, and then if you go to code behind file of that main page, so see, there's a call main view model. Okay, and then main view model actually just bind the db code. So this is a concept actually of mbbm, actually model view model. Okay, so if you go to that main view model, so main view model is where is that all the view models uh, in view models folder. So if you go to main view model, see, all the logic should be here, it is empty. But if you go to some other example, I think my emulator is almost running, leave it. As of now, till now we can discuss over here. So yeah, so if I, okay, take another example, I think this one is empty, so take that sample list. Okay, see, this is sample list. I create some template so that I can show that list. Okay, okay, so in this list you can see there's a code behind file, there's a nothing in the code behind file, only just navigation handling. We are navigation click over there, nav tab, or not nav tab, but yeah, just once I any list of that item when click, so this will call and it will go to uh, yeah, it will go to the next page. So okay, it's also called, see, sample list view model. So if you go to sample list view model, sample list view model, sample list view, this guy, see, there's a inherit the base model. Okay, and then there's some logic and stuff, business logic we can write over here. Okay, simple, is very simple and straightforward. Okay, also in this view model, actually see this tab bar also here, that is not actually tab bar, so it's my bad, it's not tab bar, it is just on a navigation too. So something we are using in this page, so navigation purpose. So yeah, the navigation too. And but here, here that go to, once I click the item, actually, so it will go to the next page, and the next page is a sample list detail page. So it will go to sample detail list detail page, and it will show the all the details over here. Okay, so like this, let me check or my letter my is emulator is open or it's deploy or not. Also you can check here. So still it's debugging. uh, Still not deploy. Actually it should be deploy and then it should be run. Okay, it's not responding, I guess. Okay, something happened. Okay, then I think I need to stop and then run, because I think somewhere running our emulator and I click over there, so might be sometimes not responding, because it's take actually it's consuming some some memories and stuff in our system. So that's why. But yeah, so overall, so these are all on a simple architecture, like how to call the view call model view, and then also model view call the services. So like this way. Also this is the models. Okay, also this is the platforms, how what are the platforms available here. Android, it is support Android, iOS, Mac, at least Windows as well. Okay, so it is a very great template, I think, for the if everybody's don't want to write, create from the scratch the any mobile application, so that it is very helpful for us. So just create sample and just modify your style and so and so, and you can able to build your application. And it's not responding, thing happen. Okay, it's trying to deploy. I think it should come some that close step, but yeah, let's wait then. Yeah, find the emulator and it will try to deploy it, I guess. I think due to not responding, it is behaving like that. So I think what I need to do, I need to close, I guess then. Uh, Close that guy permanently in my emulator so that it's can reuse. See, the memory consumption 86. So yeah, that's why I'm read. Which one, I guess? Emulator. This is that emulator. So I think I can close this one. Okay. Okay. This was the error record. Okay. Okay. Now just rebuild clean. Might be sometime you can face this issue. Yeah, that's also fine too. Just rebuild. It is still it is showing something. So might be okay. So what we can do, we can just close our Visual Studio, and okay, it's running. So just cancel, close, and rerun again. Uh, this one. Okay. So that I think restore completed, but not proper. Loaded in our local storage. So that's why it's behaving like that. But no issue. We can fix it. In development, once you're trying to do, you will get many issues. So that also you have to know, like, okay, if I get that issue, so how we can fix it. Okay, so again just open. I think now it's dependency resolved. Now just rebuild. Okay, something is showing it's not found. Okay, x.net this and not found. Aka is not found. Android is not fun. Okay, just rebuild again. Okay, might we choose some workload, Tizen workload. That's why it's failing. Okay, so let's see. I think there is a main template. So based on the template, something I choose. So definitely I have to install, download and install those stuff. So that need to taking care. Okay, now it's rebuilt succeed. Now just try to run once more time. Okay, this time I will not touch anywhere. That was a problem. Now it's running actually. So it is deploy complete. Now it's running. Yeah. Now you able to see all the menus over here. Okay. If you go to sample list, you will see the sample list. And once you click any item, you will go to that item. So click, yeah, see, and back to again that list. Click here and again see, back to here. So those are implementation. You don't need to write any code. Okay. This is a very great feature provide this accelerator. So also if you go to drawing, the very, because these stuff you want to try to implement, it will take lots of time and lots of resource. So just say clear everything. So and also media one I will not going to show because I think might be that media file it's copyright for my channel, so that's why stick to copyright, so that's why I'm not going to show. But yeah, once you click you will be able to see the media files also. Once you click the web view, you're able to see the web view. Okay, if you click open, so definitely you are able to see that stuff like new browser. Then I move it to the sample. Also that click event working fine. If you go to localization, so those are stuff. Okay. So those are this. Okay. I think as of now that is sufficient. I also explained everything. We face also some issues. Okay. That is a very important. So if somebody face an issue, so how we can resolve that is very important. Okay. So till now, uh, thank you. Have a nice day.